So for those at home who don't have the bamboo whisk, what can we do to make it easier?
Sure. If you have any jar, mason jar or whatever, you can do a jar shaken method. Again, I like to make sure that mine are well sifted. And then you can add your cold coconut water. This has no sugar. And then just close it. Make sure it's really, really close, tight.
Yeah, I know.
Otherwise we'll make a little bit of a mess.
If I did that, it would have spilled, trust me.
And then you can pour it.
That's easy.
It's really simple. Nice and quick. Itadakimasu. That's nice, right? It's refreshing.
So
and there's no sugar.
I'm so gonna make this at home.
Yeah, super easy.
What is it they say? Oishi, oishi.
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 Delicious.
Delicious.